Let's solve this question together. It says x minus 3 raised to the power 6 equal to 2 raised to the power 6. We require to solve for the values for x. Okay. Moving on from here, we can say quickly x minus 3 all raised to the power 6 minus 2 raised to the power 6 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the first step. The next step is to say that x minus 3 all raised to the power 3 all raised to the power 2 minus 2 raised to the power 3 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. From here, we are going to have difference of 2 squared. So we say x minus 3 all raised to the power 3 minus 2 cubed multiplied by x minus 3 raised to the power 3 plus 2 cubed is equal to 0. Alright? From here, we can say x minus 3 all raised to the power 3 minus 8, okay, multiplied by x minus 3 all raised to the power 3 plus 8 is equal to 0. Alright? Now, when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that x minus 3 cubed minus 8 is still 2 cubed, so you can say 2 cubed is equal to 0. Okay, that's the first condition. Now, when you have difference of 2 cubes, you use the formula that states that, okay, so you say a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So from here, we're going to have this, to be equal to, okay, so we have x minus 3 now minus 2, okay, multiplied by x minus 3 squared plus 2 times x minus 3 plus 2 squared being equal to what? 0. And this is equal to x minus 5 multiplied by x squared minus, this is 6x plus 9 plus 2x minus 6 plus 4 equals 0. And this becomes equal to x minus 5 multiplied by x squared, okay, minus 4x, okay, plus 13 minus 6 is 8 equals 0. When the product of two things are equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Alright? X is equal to 5, okay, or x squared minus 4x plus 8 is equal to 0. From here, we use the quadratic formula. Using the quadratic formula here, we can now say that our x becomes equal to, okay, minus times minus 4 is plus 4. So we have 4 plus or minus square root of 4 squared is 16 minus 4 into 8 all over 2 times 1 is 2. And this becomes equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 times root of, what's remaining here is 1 minus 2. Okay, all over 2. And x becomes equal to 4 plus or minus root of 16 is 4, and this is root of minus 1 all over 2. This becomes equal to 4 plus or minus 4 times root of minus 1 is I all over 2. This becomes equal to 2 plus or minus 2i. Alright? And these are the second set of answers for x. Okay, let's go for the next answers for x. X minus 3 all cubed plus 2 cubed is equal to 0. From here, we can now say that x minus 3 all cubed plus 2 cubed equal to 0 follows the law of the sum of 2 cubes. So we have, if we have a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b multiplied by a squared minus ab plus b squared. So moving on from here, we are going to have this to be equal to x minus 3 plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 all squared minus x minus 3 times 2 plus 2 squared. This becomes equal to x minus 1 multiplied by x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 2x plus 6 plus 4, 0. Moving on from here, when the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either x is equal to 1 or, now this is x squared minus 6x minus 2x is minus 8x. Okay. 9 plus 6 is 15 plus 4 is 19. So plus 19 is equal to 0. Alright. Moving on from here, we now have that x is equal to minus 8 is plus 8 plus or minus square root of 8 squared is 64 minus 4 times 19 all over 2. Alright. So this is the quadratic formula. This becomes equal to 8 plus or minus square root of, factoring out 4, we have square root of 4 multiplied by square root of, this is 16 minus 19. Okay, all over 2. This becomes equal to 8 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 multiplied by root of 16 minus 19 is root of negative 3 all over 2. From here we have that x is equal to 8 plus or minus 2 times root of negative 3 is root of 3i all over 2. Hence from here x becomes equal to 4 plus or minus 3i, okay, or root 3i. So these are the next set of answers for x in this question. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.